Experiencing 5G issues with Mint Mobile? You're not alone. Since Mint Mobile uses T-Mobile's network, problems often arise from device compatibility, incorrect APN settings, or mismatches in network band support. Let's tackle the most common culprits. First, ensure your phone supports the 5G bands Mint Mobile uses, primarily N41, 2.5 GHz, and N71, 600 MHz. Next, update your Mint Mobile app, version 2.4.5 or later, and run the built-in troubleshooter, which automates firmware checks and APN resets. A common fix involves manually configuring your APN settings to wholesale with IPv4 IPv6 protocol and PAP-CHAP authentication. According to Mint Mobile's 2025 survey, these steps resolve 70% of 5G connectivity problems. Still having trouble? Let's dive deeper into APN configurations and device settings. If the basic fixes didn't work, let's fine-tune your settings. Double-check your APN settings. The correct APN is wholesale. Then, verify that the APN protocol is set to IPv4 IPv6 and the authentication type is PAP-CHAP. On Android, use the code 4636 to access network status and conduct tests. On iOS, use field test mode. Make sure 5G is enabled in your phone's network settings and disable any VPNs that might interfere with the connection. If you're in a rural area, try switching to T-Mobile's standalone 5G mode via developer options. An example, a user in Texas boosted speeds from 3G to 300 Mbps by doing this and updating DNS settings. Finally, if all else fails, contact Mint Mobile support to verify your SIM ICD and ensure proper account provisioning.